Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to explore the history and value of the 20 euro cent coin from 2002. So grab your magnifying glass and join me on this journey. The 20 euro cent coin was introduced in 2002, along with the rest of the euro coins, as part of the euro currency's adoption by 12 European Union member states. Designed by Belgian artist Luc Louwaix, this coin features a unique blend of historical and contemporary elements. Take a closer look at the obverse side, and you'll find a map of Europe, highlighting the Union's unity and diversity. Encircling the map are the 12 stars of the European Union, symbolizing harmony among member states. Flipping it over, we find the reverse side adorned with a depiction of a globe, surrounded by the European continent. The denomination 20 euro cent is inscribed prominently, indicating its value. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. While its face value is 20 euro cents, its numismatic value can vary depending on factors such as rarity, condition, and historical significance. According to numismatic experts, the 20 euro cent coin from 2002 doesn't hold significant collector value as of now. However, coins with minting errors, or those from specific countries or mints, may fetch higher prices among collectors. Beyond its monetary value, this coin symbolizes the unity and prosperity of the European Union. It serves as a reminder of the shared history and values that bind European nations together. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, the 20 euro cent coin from 2002 offers a glimpse into Europe's rich cultural heritage and economic integration. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting.